This is Multiboard, a ridiculously modular 3D printed organization system that has everything you need. Just like Lego, it grows with you, helping you organize your life anywhere and everywhere you want it. Multiboard is actually an ecosystem that is made up of independent subsystems. Currently, we have 3, which I'll show you in this video. Starting off, we have the Multiboard Tiles, which is a board system that works with snaps, threads, and pegboard accessories. Then we have Multibin, which is a new, insanely flexible bin system where the bins can be divided, extended, and have endless interchangeable accessories. And last but not least, we have the Multipoint, a connection system for easily attaching anything, anywhere, including, but not limited to, multibins to other multibins, multibins to the multiboard tile, and even a picture frame to the wall. What you're about to see is over a year's worth of development, and it's finally here. So what exactly are multiboard tiles? First up, the tiles are packed with features. They're compatible with threads, pegboard accessories, and snaps, which take a variety of inserts. Every hole on a tile is threaded, the small pegboard holes, the big holes, and even the snaps, always giving you a choice. You can mount these tiles however and pretty much anywhere you can imagine, stuck on a wall, screwed under a desk, or even freestanding as a unit. But the key thing here is their strength. They are shockingly strong. Since releasing Multiboard at the end of last year, the system has already amassed over 979,000 total downloads, making it one of the world's top 3D prints. There's also a thriving community with some incredible multiboard builds. You'd be amazed at what people are using Multiboard for and where they're putting it. But if that wasn't enough, let's dive into what is new and releasing today. Say hello to Multibin, a total reimagining of what a 3D printed bin system can be. The core concept being is that you have a shell and an insert, and together they form a multi-bin. The shell is a flexible connection system covered in multi-point stuff, which we'll talk about later on in this video, and the inserts provide the internal functionality. It could be a USB holder, a pencil pot, a light, a soldering iron station, a plant pot, or anything you need. The best part is you can change what a multi-bin is by just swapping the insert. No need to reprint the shell. Speaking of which, these shells are incredibly versatile. You can place them on a grid, which we call panels. You can divide them up as you see fit. You can extend them as far as you want, and even simply stack them. Not only do these shells serve as bins, but they're also the scaffolding for drawers. This here are some simple drawers. That's right, I said some simple drawers, because we also have multi-bin drawers that you assemble to match your needs. This here is the Mega Drawer Pack. As you can see, they come in all shapes and sizes, including tiered. And hold on, we are nowhere near close to finished, because we're about to get into Multipoint. Multipoint is a connection system that allows you to connect anything, anywhere. This part here is a multipoint, which also comes as a rail. You can even place them directly onto a wall or any surface you want. Now, to keep it simple, here are a few common multipoint connection types. Of course, you can connect a multi-bin to a tile using a point or a rail. You can also connect a multi-bin using its bottom with multi-points. You can pop in accessories into multi-point rails to add even more functionality and connection options. You can slide on accessories to multi-point rails. You can simply connect multi-bins together or magnetically connect multi-bins together. Or you can even mount the bin shells to turn them into under-desk drawers. Now, what I've just shown you there is literally just scratching the surface, and like every subsystem in Multiboard, Multipoint is independent and even has its own connection plate. Now, before you rush off and start printing, you might be wondering a couple of things. Is it free and is it open source? First, is it free? Well, kind of. 95% of Multiboard is free. The only things that aren't free are conveniency perks, like pre-made packs, generators, early access to parts, and so on. It's thanks to this choice and our amazing community that is supporting this project that all of this is even possible. Now, is it open source? In short, No, it's under a custom license that's as open as it can be while protecting me and the community from bad actor companies. You can still create unique remixes, which I love seeing, but please just don't share the original parts. However, do learn more over at multiboard.io/license. So how do you get started with all of this? Well, the great bit is that we have an entire website where all of the parts are organized in a parts library. There you'll also find the Knowledge Hub that teaches you all of the principles, and don't forget about the amazing community where you can go and ask questions and share your builds. But put frankly, the simplest way to get started is by following our starter pack videos, which teaches you the core principles of each subsystem. All of these resources are linked down below. Now, just before you head off, there's one thing to keep in mind about the multiboard system. It's still under development. I would say we're about 75% of the way there, with the key areas still needing quite a bit of work, being tutorials, documentations, and a few other resources. But I'm confident that these will get wrapped up in the next coming months. Once again, all the links to get started are down below. This is still just the beginning, with so much more to come. I really look forward to seeing what you're going to be creating, and thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep making.